One of the biggest sellers on the market today is the widescreen home television. And obviously there are times you would like to have a widescreen in your home. This is a Mitsubishi, and it can go for a price of around $4,000.
Now, the widescreen TV works like a movie projector. It takes the TV signal and displays it on a screen by using lenses. Now, what system would be complete without a video recorder? This is a brand new top-of-the-line model, and to take home videotapes, you'd also need a camera. This RCA model has almost everything the big guys have: automatic zoom, built-in mic, and a lot of other little goodies. Video critics say this is one of the more advanced video games on the market today. It's Mattel and television. You can relax on your couch and defend the universe. And you'll need some movies. When you get tired of doing everything else, most major name productions can be rented or purchased.
So you're probably asking yourself, how much will all of this cost me? Well, if you decided to buy everything we've shown you, the widescreen television, the home videotape recorder, the video camera, the video game, and let's say about 10 pre-recorded home video movies, it would run around $7,500. But look at it this way. If you had all of that, you could watch Dolly Parton anytime you wanted to.